Alright guys, so we are opening we're removing the navigation unit. So to begin with, what we need to do is we need to remove this trim. To remove this first, what we need to do is we need to pull this one back, and so that we have some space around here. And then if you can see here, we've got two clips, one clip here and one clip here. Use the trim tool, to pull this side up first, and then the other side, and then with little force, just trying to pull this up. And once you start pulling it up, you will see this one is coming off. And then once it's all loose, we will pull it on towards the back. But I think we need to remove this, or maybe we have to move it to probably a D or something, so that we can work on this bit. Let's get into it. So I've removed the 4 plugs, actually 5 of them, on the rear end of the trim, and now we got 2 more clips there. And just an easy way to access the whole panel is by removing the knob. And also, if you have the car in the park, just make sure you press this button and move it to D or neutral, so that we get enough space on this side to pull this thing out. So yeah. Alright, so I managed to take this thing off. So how I did it was, these 2 panels on each side. If you can see here, we got the clips on one side like this. So all we need to do is from the bottom, like so, just trying to pull this out slowly, and then this thing comes out. Similarly, the other side will come out automatically using the same technique. And once you have that, I think then it's easier to remove this fascia, and like this, and yep. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 9 clips around the head, and it has now come out. So we removed 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So 6 screws we removed. Now all I did was just pulled it off a little bit outside, and as you can see, it's now loose. And I think when it comes out, we need to remove the cables from the back, or